A hishi, Taoiseach, Heather, Machlan Hain, agus Barry, agus Sifsha, a Charja, a Gwini Ushla, gur a míle magav, as a bheith an seo. Agus is dótha Bawatlam ma bhuiachas a churanúil do ceannarí na páirtí a thug takeíocht umlándom, agus do daoine nach bhfuil ina ball de éon pháirtí, na seanadóirí neamhsplacha, agus na teachtadála neamhsplacha, agus na daoine a cha bhóta ar mar son, ar mar chun, agus na daoine nar cha bhóta ar mar chun, ba mé I ma uachtarán do gach duine sa tír. Gach duine. Do Heather ó bhatla mar rá ní rá sé éasca do Heather nó dom héin, agus tógann sé muinín agus crógacht tú héin a chur os cór muintir na tíre, agus rinne Heather é sin agus cógáirdeachas. Agus tá mbeidh nú le gin agus elderflower leat go lua. Déantí muid nuair a bhíomar I mbun díospóireachta ar RTE go mbeidh gin agus elderflower agan le chéile, go scioppa agus is féidir. Tá éag déanta agan le chéile. Am na canúna I náiríre an lá seo. Tá sé coranúil ag cosmuintir na tíre nach bhfuil siad sásta. Go bhfuil uachtarán ag tastal weithú, uachtarán a bhfuil an an éisteacht, uachtarán a chuirn béim ar na luachanna atá ag cosmuintir na tíre. Goch ar son na síochána, goch ar son aitheantas ó thabhairt don géarcéim athrú éráide, agus goch ar son cosmuintir na tíre na pobl ó chean na tíre atá obair na gapal á dhéanamh acu ar son, ba cóir aitheantas ó thabhairt agus acmhainní ó thabhairt agus thug mé gealúns le linn an achtas go raithí mé a reis go ga ionad agus ba an gealúin sin á cholíne agam. Tá pobl seo glúiseacht. Níl mise ach mar himbal den glúiseacht seo, agus leanaí sibse a rá leis an glúiseacht sin, le fís nua don tír agus poblacht nua a bhúnlú ar son gná winter na tíre, agus tá an dúshlán aga bhaníis na páirtílóg agus daoine nach bhfuil páirteach in éon páirteach in éon pháirtí. An dúshlán sin don inglet leis an dúshlán agus poblacht nua a bhúnlú. Gar a míle. I think they like to test me to the end of my tether because there's no water available. There's nothing here. Is there water? I'm not sure I can drink out of a bottle, but we'll try. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being here. Taoiseach, Taoiseach, Heather, and my family. It's not easy for them to stand here. My family in particular, who are very private. And I want to thank all of you for being here and all the leaders of the parties that came in behind me and the TDs and senators, the independent TDs and senators who stood behind me. From day one, I emphasised that I was an independent candidate with an independent mind. And for all who voted for me, thank you very much. It will be an absolute privilege to serve you. For those who didn't vote for me and those who spoiled their votes, let me tell you, I will be an inclusive president to listen to all of you. I will be making no distinction on the basis of votes. I will be a president who listens and who reflects. and who speaks when it's necessary, and a voice for peace, a voice that builds on our policy of neutrality, a voice that articulates the existential threat posed by climate change, and a voice that recognises the tremendous work being done, the length and breadth of the country, and we need to recognise that and ensure it is properly resourced. But that's your job. That's a political job on the ground. I will raise my voice, and our whole mantra during this campaign was, we can shape a new republic together, and we can use our voices for those who have or haven't the ability, nor the circumstances don't allow. But my message is, use your voice in every way you can, because a republic and a democracy needs constructive questioning. And together we can shape a new republic that values everybody, that values and champions diversity, and that takes confidence in our own identity, our Irish language, our English language, and the new people who have come to our country. I will be an inclusive president for all of you, and I regard it as an absolute honour, the vote I have been given, and I will represent you nationally and internationally to the best of my ability and as professionally and as humanely as possible. Gar míle maith.